Long, long ago, there lived a fisherman and his wife. The couple were very poor, but they got plenty of fish to eat. They lived in an old wooden hut by the seashore. The wife worked in a little garden behind the hut and grew vegetables. The fisherman remained content with whatever he got, but his wife always longed for more. One day, the fisherman caught a strange looking fish. As he was looking at the fish, it began to speak. I am a magic fish. Please put me back in the water before I die, said the fish. The fisherman was kind-hearted. He at once put the fish back into the water and returned home. I caught a strange looking fish today, he told his wife. It was a magic fish and could talk like a man. Why did you not ask the magic fish for a reward? Asked his wife angrily. After all, you saved its life. Go back to the fish and tell it you want a good cottage to live in. The fisherman went back to the seashore and called out, Oh magic fish, I am the fisherman who put you back into the water. May I talk to you? The magic fish at once appeared above the surface of water. Oh magic fish, said the fisherman, my wife wants a good cottage to live in. Could you please fulfill this desire of hers? Go back, said the fish. She has it already. When the fisherman returned home, he saw a new cottage standing in place of his old hut. His wife was happy for a while, but then she began to long for more. One day, the greedy woman said to her husband, I feel so uncomfortable in this small cottage. Go back and tell the fish, I want a big castle in which I can live like a queen. The fisherman went back to the seashore and called out to the magic fish. He told the fish what his wife wanted. Return home, said the magic fish. Your wife has all that already. When the fisherman got back home, he saw a big castle in place of his cottage. The wife was happy for a while, but then again she began to long for more. She wanted to be a real queen and rule the world. So she sent her husband to the seashore once again. When the fish appeared, the fisherman explained what his wife had desired. She wanted to be a real queen and rule the world. Return home, said the fish. That is already done. The greedy wife was happy for a while, But again she began to long for more. She wanted to rule the sun and the moon. The sun and the moon should obey my orders, said the woman. They should rise and set as I desire. So she called her husband and sent him to the fish again. The fisherman told the fish what his wife wanted. The magic fish was now very angry. Your wife asks for too much, said the fish. She will have what she deserves. Go back to your place and never come to me again. If you do, I will change both of you into pigs. When the fisherman came back home, he saw an old hut in place of the big castle. His ragged wife was working in the little garden behind the hut. Thus, once again, the greedy wife had to work all day in her little garden. She always discontented and remained sad. But the contented fisherman would go singing to the sea and catch fish for the day.